Hello and welcome back to the channel. Long-term subscribers will be pleased to hear that I've fixed the problem that made my last few videos a Smurf-like shade of blue. And with that sorted, here's a brand new series for you. I should begin by thanking Damien Talks Money, which is a YouTube channel about UK personal finance that I've followed for a while. Thanks to something he pointed out earlier this year, I realised that I hadn't been correctly reclaiming high rate tax on my pension contributions. If you're a higher rate taxpayer here in the UK, my personal opinion is that you absolutely must do self-assessment every year, otherwise you're likely to be missing out. It took 7 months and a complaint from my MP, thank you, to get HMRC to refund the affected amount of money to me, but the net result was that a very nice cheque turned up. So for those of you who are younger than me, a cheque was an inefficient way of moving money in the 19th century, still occasionally used today. Obviously, the responsible thing to do with such a refund is put it into your pension, where it should have been in the first place. But after giving it some thought, I decided not to do that and have some fun with it instead, and share that fun with all of you. So sit back, get yourself a double whiskey and a packet of crumpets, and welcome to How to Spend a Tax Refund. Here's a list of the projects that I'll be bringing you along for the ride on over the next few videos. I've got myself some new motorised blinds, which are quite fun, and I'm going to be hooking those up to Home Assistant with a custom radio controller. I've got myself a new smart TV, and we'll take a look at how it compares to the earlier model, how to mount it on the wall and get the electrician to do the work so that it can float without any visible wires. I'm going to be building myself a new custom desk out of a piece of worktop, and I'm going to plant some bulbs in the magnificent new flower bed I built in my garden last summer. And finally, I'm going to resin coat my garage floor to make it non-slip and a bit easier to maintain. So join me between now and Christmas, and realistically after Christmas, and we'll get into it. Looking forward to seeing you.